Hi friends, let's keep working with place value discs and see what we can come up with. So the first thing I have here is 50, or 5 groups of 10. Let's count up from 50 to 59. Count with me. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Great job! Now, using a complete sentence, think in your brain, what is one more than 59? Great job. One more than 59 is 60. So now that we have 60, can we make a new unit? That's right, we can make a new unit with these ones. So I'm going to take my 10 ones and create a group of 10. If I could make a new unit, I traded out my 10 ones for a group of 10. So now I'm at 60. Let's skip count from 60 all the way to 90. 60, 70, 80, count with me, 90. Good job. Now think in your brain what 10 more than 90 is. 10 more than 90 is blank. That's right. 10 more than 90 is 100. So now that we have 100, can we make a new unit? We can take our 10 tens and we are going to make a new unit. I know that 10 tens is the same as 100. So I'm going to put my little 100 right there. Now let's count from 100 all the way up to 600. So count with me. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Now think in your brain. What is 100 less than 600? Use a complete sentence. 100 less than 600 is, nice. 100 less than 600 is the same, as 500. Now I have to show 10 less than 500. But I don't have any 10s here to take away. So I need to take 100 and turn it into a different unit. I know that 100 has 10 tens in it. So I'm going to trade my 100 for my 10 tens. 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. Now I can easily have 10 less than 500 because I have 400s here and 100 here. If I take 110 away, I get 490. I had to switch out my units. Keep going, and this time let's do it on the website. So let's show 500. Count with me. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Awesome. Now let's show 503. I know 503 is 500s and 3 ones. 2, 3. Let's try to show 10 less than 503. Well, I don't have any 10s to take away. So remember what I did over here. And think in your brain, what can I do if I need to show 10 less? I have to change this 100 to 10 tens, right? It can't go here, so I have to change it to 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I still have 503. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 3 ones. But now I can say what's 10 less than 503 by taking away a 10. And now I have 400, 9 tens, 3 ones, or 493. You're going to have to switch and play with your units for these questions on your Nearpod. So make sure that you're using this website because it's going to be really helpful. This here is your exit ticket for today. So you have to use your website to show 10 more than 239 is blank and find it here. There are also some questions that ask you how many more or how many less you're growing or decreasing on your number. So this says blank more than 467 is 567. I want you to pay attention to which place is changing. So I'm going from 467 to 567. Well, let's look at the ones place. The 7 and the 7 are the same. In the tens place, the 6 and the 6 are the same. But in the hundreds place, it goes from 4 to 500s. So that tells me that it's 100 more. So you would click 100 more. Okay, have fun with your exit ticket and use the website as much as you can. I like to have it in a different tab. So if this is my Nearpod or my video that I'm in, then it would be right here, right next to it. And I'll put it in the Nearpod or I'll put it in the Google Classroom assignment so you guys can have it there too. Have fun!